Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. Can you tell me what is your name? What is your name? Okay, take your time first. Hello. Good evening. Can you tell me
Hello,
what is your
teacher.
name? What is your name?
My name is Khôi Nguyệt.
Do you have an English name?
My name is Khôi Nguyệt.
Oh, okay. Can I call you Koi?
Khôi Nguyệt.
Okay. So I will call you Koi. How are you tonight, Koi? Are you okay?
Rest.
Okay, well, that's good. Please make yourself comfortable. Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
What did you eat for dinner?
Is rice
Rice? What else?
and chicken.
Oh, rice and chicken. That's very delicious, Koi. Okay, so I'm glad that you joined our class. Ready? So let us start now. Let me share my screen. And for today, we'll have level one. Can you still remember them? Okay, so they are the characters of this book. Koi, can you tell me what's his name?
Is
What's his name?
Danny.
Yes, he is Danny. What about this girl? What's her name?
Is Emma.
Very good. What about her?
Is Yuri.
And the last one is
Michael.
Mike. Okay, very good. Now let us have this one. What is your name? So we have two ways of answering this question. You can either say, I'm Danny, or my name is Danny. So, can you tell me again, what is your name?
I am Khôi Nguyệt.
Okay, I'm Koi Mian. Okay, thank you, Koi. Next one now, we have here the alphabet. Of course, you know this one already. So let us sing this one together. Okay, for a
Page
moment.
3. C. Sing. The alphabet.
The alphabet, the
The
alphabet,
alphabet.
the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet. A, B, C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
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 H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
K,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
U, S,
T, U, V,
U, V,
W,
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 X,
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 Y,
Y, Z,
Y, Z.
A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
F,
F, G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
R, S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
The
The
alphabet,
alphabet,
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 the
the alphabet.
alphabet.
Okay, thank you so much for singing it with me, Koi. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me what is he doing? He is?
He is
Can you read
listen.
this word? Okay, yes. He is listening. Good. He is listening. Remember, after is are and we will add ing. Okay, so we'll say he is, we have here is, listen, and ing, koy, listening. Okay, he is listening. Now, what about this girl? What is she doing?
She is both is
Pointing, pointing,
boyness,
pointing,
boyness,
Okay, pointing. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer for this one, Koy? What is 7 plus 3?
3,
7
7,
plus 3.
10.
Yes, very good. Okay, you're smart, Koy. Next one now. What about him? What is he doing? 1, 2, 3. He is counting. Counting.
Count.
Okay, can you say counting? Counting.
Counted.
Okay, he is counting. Okay, now what about her? What is she doing?
He is stuck.
Okay, she is talking. She is talking.
She is talking.
Very good, Koy. Okay, what's he doing?
He is skying.
Asking.
Acting.
Okay, and what is she doing?
She is
Answering.
answering.
Okay, very good, Koy. Thank you so much. So remember, we have listen, point, count, talk, ask, and answer. Okay, now let us have the workbook of this one. In here, I want you to match it. Okay, like for example, hi, I'm Emma. Where is Emma? Here is Emma. Now, what about for 2? Blank. My blank is Mike. Can you tell me your answer? Mhm. Can you tell me? Okay, so in here we can say hi, or we can as well say hello. Okay, so hello. My name.
Name
Okay,
is
very good.
Mike.
Is Mike. Very good. Now, what about for 3, Koy? Hi, blank. What is the blank here? It's
Mike.
okay. My name
My
is.
name is Julie.
Where is Julie? Okay, very good. And what about for 4?
Yes, number 4.
What is the answer here?
Hello, my name is Danny.
Okay. Or we can as well say, I'm Danny. Okay, where is Danny? there he is. Very good, Koi. Well done, Koi. Next one now, we'll have the puzzle. Okay, you have to find the names here. Like we have Danny. Now, what about Mike? Mike. Can you see the word or the name of Mike? Okay, yes, that is Julie. Very good.
Hmm.
You got this. Okay, yes, well done, Emma.
My
Last one now. We have Mike. Mike. Okay, thank you so much, Koi. Now, what's your name? Can you write it here? My name is.
is Conan.
Okay, I'll just write it for you. Okay, my name is Koi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, very good. Thank you, Koi. Now, let us proceed to this one. In here, I want you to match it. What is he doing? Is it ask, talk, point, answer, count, or listen? Okay, well done, Koi. That's correct. Next one now. What about for two? Ants? Or you can answer this one, or the last one first. So you'll have lesser options. Take your time, Koi. Okay, very good. We have here count. Okay, yes. Ask, answer. What do you think? You've got this, Koi. You can do it. Mhm. Okay, there you have it. Okay, just remember, Koi, when we say point, we will use our finger to point something. Okay, when we say talk, okay, talk. Okay, when we say talk, Koi, just like what I am doing now, I am talking to you. Okay, talk, talk. Now, let us have this one, Koi. In here, you have to connect the letters from A to Z. Okay, A to Z. So, you'll start in here. A, okay, wait, let me get my R. A, B, okay. C, that's right. E, F, G, H. I, J, okay, K, What's next? What's next to K, boy? H-I-J-K.
L.
Okay, L. I can see your pen, Koy. Okay, L. Next one. L. Next, Koy, we have okay, M. N.
No.
Okay, wait, let me erase it for you. O. L-M-N-O-P. Okay, Q-R-S-T-U-V. WXYZ. Okay, there you have it. Now, can you tell me what picture is it? It's a...
It's kite.
Yes, it's a kite. A blue kite. Thank you, Koy. Yes, well done. Okay, very good. Next one now, Koy. We have here first day, okay, school supplies. Now let me cover this for you and tell me what it is. Can you tell me, Koy, what's this?
It's pen.
What about this one?
It's pencil.
Great job. What is it?
Ruler.
Is it a ruler?
Rubber.
Yes, a rubber or an eraser. What about this
Ruler.
one? And
Ruler.
what about
Pencil
this?
case.
Very good. And the last one is?
It's bag.
Yes, a bag or a backpack. Backpack. Now, let us have a listening activity called Listen and Number. Okay, let us hear it.
Page 4. B. Listen and number. 1,
Danny, your backpack.
Okay, Danny, your backpack. Where is the backpack? Very good,
2,
boy.
Oh no, my pencil.
Oh no, my pencil.
3,
My eraser.
My eraser. Okay,
4,
My pen.
my pen.
5.
That is four, Koy. That's four. Okay, next one.
My ruler?
My ruler.
6,
Ruler. Where is Danny's ruler? Okay, 5
6,
and 6
My
is
pencil case?
my pencil case. Okay, thank you, Koy. Next one now. And here you have to tell me what it is, okay? It's a pen, it's an eraser. Now, can you tell me, Koy, what is it?
It's pen.
Okay, it's a pen. It's a pen. What is it, Koy?
It's pencil.
Okay, it's a pencil. What is it?
It's rubber.
Okay, it's a rubber. What is it?
is ruler.
A ruler. Okay, what is it?
Is pencil case.
It's a pencil case. And the last one?
It is bag.
Yes, it's a bag. It's a backpack. Very good, Koi. Now, let us have this one again. What is it? It's a pen. It's
Is a
a pen.
pen.
Okay, what is it?
Is pen.
It's a pen. What is it?
Is bag.
Okay, what is it?
Is pencil case.
What is it?
Is rubber.
What is it?
Is pencil.
What is it?
Is ruler.
Great job, Koi. Yay! Now, I believe that would be all for our class. So, thank you so much and good night, Koi. Goodbye,
Goodbye, teacher.
Koi.